Hooray! You've made the big decision on which resources you want to use to crush your exam. But if you don't want to spend hours dividing up these books, Qbanks, lectures, and flashcards into a detailed study plan, you're going to need a little bit of magic. Enter Cram Fighter, where you can simply click on the resources that you want to use and will instantly organize them into the perfect personalized study schedule with daily tasks. We've indexed hundreds of resources down to the page in the book or minute in the video, so that the study planner can divide them into daily tasks in seconds, and you can easily organize your resources by system or subject. Adding resources to your study plan is easy. As you're building a plan, you'll see the resources page. From there, use the search bar to find the resource that you want to add to your plan. Are you ready to start tackling that critical Qbank? Use the resources page to find the Qbank that you want. Then input a total number if you know how many questions you would like to get through by the end of your study block. If you plan on doing a certain number of questions each day, we recommend choosing a daily number instead. If you're adding a book or lecture, you have the option to choose all of the chapters or videos within the resource. Click on the top buttons if you want to auto-select groups of items and add everything related to the same topic. Or you can use the checkboxes below to select or deselect specific resources for your plan. For example, already watched all the sketchy videos about microbiology? Nice job! You can deselect them and leave them out of your study plan. Take back your time and say goodbye to resource sifting with Cram Fighter. Check out the resource selection feature for yourself now on blueprintprep.com/cramfighter.